Okay, class. Who can tell me what is 3 multiplied by 2? Miss. Yes, Junior. Squash. But that don't even make no sense. Yes, miss, because the 6 is real. The 6 is real? Junior, we can't take your foolishness today. I'm going to send you to the principal office if you act out one more time. Okay, miss, can you spell principal? What? Okay, Junior, I will spell it if you stop with your foolishness, okay? Yes, miss, spell it. Principal. Miss, you lose it today, you know. Me say spell it. I-T. Stop it, class. Stop the laughing now. Junior, go to the principal office. No, I don't want to hear nothing. Junior, they send you to my office again. Why them send you all the time? I don't know, miss. Oh, me bring you one banana chips. Me know say your favorite. Oh, Junior, you're such a nice boy. I don't know what's wrong with your teacher. I have to have a talk with her. You know, every time she does this, and you're so nice. Yes, she always talk about me unruly and how me need discipline. Really? I don't see what she's talking about. Yes, like my Auntie Evelyn would have said. Exactly.